Love in a mist flowers, also known as Nigella Damascena, are cherished by gardeners for their delicate beauty and easy maintenance. These annual flowers are recognized for their feathery foliage, unique seed pods, and charming blossoms in shades of blue, white, pink, and purple. The name Love in a Mist reflects the flower's appearance as if it's floating amidst a soft, misty cloud of foliage. Select a sunny garden location with well-draining, moderately fertile soil. Sow the seeds directly into the garden bed in early spring or autumn, keeping the soil consistently moist until germination. Thin the seedlings to about 6 inches apart to allow each plant ample room to grow. These flowers require minimal maintenance, with regular watering, mulching, and deadheading for further flowering. They are relatively pest and disease resistant, making them an excellent choice for gardeners of all levels. The intricate seed pods of Love in a Mist flowers can be harvested for dried flower arrangements, crafts, or as natural decorations. Additionally, collecting the seeds from the pods is an easy way to propagate new plants for the next growing season. Gardeners may encounter poor germination, leggy seedlings, or fungal diseases. Ensuring well-draining soil, proper spacing, and addressing fungal problems promptly can help maintain healthy Love in a Mist plants.